awie me do bi ase se utie me na me pese me ka asem kakra che o ye frame Pastor Emmanuel Echampo frame Sophie Emmanuel Echampo me da asori a efeno Emmanuel and Prayer Deliverance Ministry na anyoma bi koso awo Ghana ha anyoma na ekoso me pese me share idea kakra aye nokre obia se onyame na afren ye jitu onyame afren ye jitu obia se calling nyame na afren ye jitu na yewo the fivefold ministry the fivefold ministry the fivefold ministry no e be a pastor e be a apostle e be a teacher e be a prophet e be an evangelist now in the field of the fivefold ministry you're the 9 giftings of God you're the 9 gift owi betima operate bia emu kra ba 5 owi betima operate emu 8 emu 9 owi betima operate 10 na owi betima operate 1 pe bidu biase muntie me ye ensem bi koso yan draw curtains na enye. Why are we fighting ourselves? Why are men of God fighting themselves? Adentina and unyami nipafo ye kunyamu yankasa ye backbiting yamu. We are fighting ourselves, and it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Me pesa me ka bibi chiram. Man of God A, man of God B, tieme. Wo man of God A, say man of God B free nyame. And nyame na ye kan. Who have seen God? We believe him that he is God, that he is existing, or a universal. You believe in him, you genidi. That's why I say you're worshiping. I'm telling you the truth. But Obi said God, unyame friend. Fine, nyame friend. Me person me catch them. Stacy show be na man of God be a better so say obi ni mfiri nyame chiramoso mfiri nyame brother Sami mfiri nyame na woman of God na wakasa and we are holy. Are you perfect? Why do we judge? Didn't you judge? Didn't you judge you? Me, I will never talk about any man of God, whether I don't believe the man of God or not. Me kasa. The church, I'm a warrior. If there is any contradiction against the Bible, against the Nipana warrior, don't talk and kasa. Who feel somebody now so you believe say and no, and then the church members never go heaven do it. Or no so feel it say media now no, and then the church members never go heaven. Or no so yeah. At the end, Ubiawa Kubuna contested in university. And the man of God, please, and the people, please. Why do you people judge? We are Radisia Nemuana. We are riding. Why? I don't understand. I don't understand. Yakoya Pharisees. You fight it your prophecies. You fight it your healing. You fight it your man. But I'm telling you, was say after the word, there shall be signs and wonders. Was say man semini be and say Jenny be actually. Paul catch Timothy was say diligently study the word and show yourself approved, abiding the word of truth and meditate the word day and night. The word is the standard of your life. And you'll be only the way I will see teach your fine. Please, what me go get your Buddhist needs so free now. If it's a Buddhist needs to believe, be said. The believe then worship adore you know, or one by a couple. You are there. I know your judge now. I bet now Stacy one and won't be, then you'll be a be. No, I bet now I can count as you send your money. Obisi, about for your one young town firm, and you want Nimukafu. And so what? What did I say? Well, we're spiritual and walk with Mudia. What problem is there? Oh, your minute, oh, your minute, oh, your minute, Onyame Busano say who say and yes and it's your heaven. And what can I am telling you, say God will judge our pastor. So why? Please, Ade. Miss Ramo. Mama Jera dear Jumeye. Mama yet waffle. And can evangelist be a minimum. Ewa Ghana. On there, on you be able to do on the back of heaven first. Miss Rama Sofofu. Mom Jedi Nipa, Miss Rama Moya. A bit draka say, Kanye, so be do maybe no toka. A bit so Munsia solidanda, so Messia solidine. A bit set also yet, hailing yet, who come us on the moyo, Miss Samoa. Ade. Baby, I will never know yet. Udruwa yedi bibeyo medamasa munyaka na mwamu munhwem na monka nkwaje asem e ma mu obi din preach enye sa na preach bonki any Red Braham any omo makeka ni na any Richmond Donkers any evangelist Alex Gray Omo evangelist womo baby preach ewo omo nyoma ifidie kwa wa Nigeria mu dom ati so akobo eyide podinda why dey so akobo Pastor Chris dinda but why ya mu atembo for manya nyame te so lo we nipa ufiri kasi mfiri nyame ne di mfiri nyame entofo bisa ho misrawo mumienya wati na mmoaye na omo mayira mumienye wo mudi kan kwaje nasem binim se false prophet wo etu di ka emo obi adi mudi se wo se false prophet different prophet amaba mu be se mu senya medu mudi emo obi adi na de oye default prophet ebe konos because a radical but enko bidin personal attack odoko kota condemn becho please so mumienya sa Stacy me sawala invite sa akwani biem adenti mo betra se kekasa woni me ne kopo amusem so mumienya sa de nene na me show bi TV you for me prophet Emmanuel Champo. Next week there's a big program I have Abakoso. I'm actually this Operation Fire Your Enemies. It will be great. I am expecting you there. Come in your numbers and God will bless you. Bye bye.